Mia, saying I go with bus is so embarrassing.
Don't worry. Yes?
Don't worry.
We just give each word a specific job.
Oh wow, knowing their magic jobs makes perfect sense.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I have a big problem with small English words today.
Which small words are giving you a big headache today?
I always mix up the words by, with, and from.
That is a very common problem for many English learners.
Yesterday, I told my boss I go with bus.
Going with a bus sounds like you were dating it.
Oh no, that is so embarrassing. How do I fix it?
Today we will give each word a very specific job.
I am ready to learn their specific jobs right now.
We will learn how to travel, add things, and find origins.
Will there be any confusing grammar rules to memorize today?
No grammar rules. We will just look at real daily situations.
That is perfect. My brain is tired of boring grammar books.
Let us start with the very first word right now.
What is the first magic word we need to learn?
The first word is by, and it is about travel.
How do we use the word by for our travel?
It tells people exactly how you move from place to place.
So I should never say I go with the bus?
Exactly. The bus is your transport method, not your friend.
That makes sense. So I say I go by bus.
Perfect. You can also go by train or by car.
What if I am paying for my ticket right there?
We also use by to talk about how we pay.
Oh, so I can say I pay by credit card?
Yes, you travel by bus and you pay by card.
That is incredibly easy to remember. What is next?
Now we need to look at the word named with.
Is this the word I use for my good friends?
Yes, we use with when we are together with someone.
So I can finally say I go with my friend?
Spot on. You go by bus, but with your friend.
I understand using with for my friends. What else is there?
We also use it when we add two things together.
Can you give me a simple example about adding things?
Think about your morning coffee. What do you drink it with?
Yesterday, I made a mistake. I said coffee from milk.
Milk does not make the coffee. You just add it.
Ah, so I must say I drink coffee with milk.
Exactly. You add the milk to your coffee to mix them.
What about sugar? Do I drink my tea with sugar?
Yes, tea with sugar or coffee with a little milk.
So the word with is just for combining things together?
Precisely. It brings people or things together in one place.
I feel much more confident now. What is the last word?
The last word is from. It is about where things start.
Where things start? That sounds a little bit complicated to me.
It is very simple. It is all about the origin.
Tell me more about this origin word. How does it work?
It tells us exactly where you come from every single day.
So I can say, I come from the office today.
Yes, the office is your starting point, your origin place.
What if someone gives me a very nice birthday present?
The present started with them, so it is from them.
Oh no. I usually say, this gift is with my friend.
That sounds like the gift is hanging out with them.
I see my mistake now. This gift is from my friend.
Perfect. It started with your friend and ended with you.
Does it also work for materials, like wood or nice plastic?
Absolutely. You can say, this table is made from wood.
Because the table started as wood from a big tree.
Exactly. The tree is the origin of your new table.
These three words are actually very easy to use correctly.
You just needed to understand their special jobs in a sentence.
I am ready to test my brain in the error lab.
Let us begin. I will speak some terrible English sentences.
Okay, bring on the bad English for me today.
Sentence 1. I go to the big city with train.
That is wrong. You must say, I go by train.
Perfect correction. Sentence 2. I drink my warm tea from sugar.
Sugar is something you add. I drink tea with sugar.
Spot on. Sentence 3. This beautiful letter is with my mother.
The letter started with her. It is from my mother.
Excellent. Sentence 4. I always pay for my coffee with card.
You must pay by card because that is your method.
Let us do one more. The table is made with wood.
Wood is the origin. The table is made from wood.
You fixed every single mistake perfectly without any boring rules.
I will never go with a big bus again.
You are officially an expert at using these tiny words.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
Sentence number 1 is for our travel method.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Sentence number 2 is for being together.
I go to the park with my friend.
I go to the park with my friend.
I go to the park with my friend.
Sentence number 3 is for adding something.
I drink my coffee with milk.
I drink my coffee with milk.
I drink my coffee with milk.
Sentence number 4 is for a starting place.
I come from the busy office today.
I come from the busy office today.
I come from the busy office today.
Sentence number 5 is for receiving a lovely gift.
This nice book is from my mother.
This nice book is from my mother.
This nice book is from my mother.
Sentence number 6 is for paying money.
I always pay by credit card.
I always pay by credit card.
I always pay by credit card.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learned so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead, show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
The word buy is for travel methods and paying money.
Correct. And what is the special job of the word with?
It is for being together or adding things to food.
Perfect. And what about the magic word named from?
It tells us the origin of a place or gift.
You officially mastered these 3 little words today.
I will never make the coffee from milk mistake again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
Yes, we have a fun homework challenge for you today.
Write 3 sentences about your daily life in the comments.
Use by, with, and from in your comment right below.
We read every single comment, so show us your skills.
Hit subscribe and like the video to support our channel.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.